place, and my mother was fantastic doing the place. They were fantastic. How she did it, I don't know, but they were beautiful when she did it. And we had sole, and what the little tiny fish, it was called now.
Sardines?
Little tiny fish they were.
Sardines?
Yeah, them. We had lots of fish.
Did you have any shellfish?
Shellfish.
Yeah, what?
Yes.
But you didn't have lobster?
No, never had lobster.
What about mussels?
Mussels, we've had plenty of mussels. Used to love mussels. My mother used to get a little cup, put vinegar in it and a bit of mustard, and get the mussel out of its shell, dip it in. Lovely. Yeah, we've had lots of fish, Robert, lots of fish. My father used to go fishing. He was, once he went fishing, he had a back next to him, you know, where the fish went in. And as he was pulling up, he couldn't get it up. And there was an American ship in, and the Americans came, my father shouted him over, "Can you help me to get it up?" It was a fish that big. He got it out.
Wow.
Yeah.
What did you do with it?
We had it, didn't we? My mother was good at it. Dipped the little thing off, took the stuff out, took the head off. That's what I've got it from. When I worked at the Cornishman in the greengrocers, we used to have fish, and I knew how to do it. And his father used to say, "Who's learned you that?" Said my father. You know, take the head off, cut it, and then take all the inners out, clean it, you know.
I love fish.
I like fish.
What's your favourite fish, though?
My favourite fish is, I like plaice.
Do you?
Plaice I like.
Have you ever had swordfish?
No. But the plaice, the way my mother used to make it was fantastic. It was honest.
If you were at home and you could choose what to eat from your mother, what would you ask for? What was your favourite meal?
You know what I used to like my mother making? She used to make sauerkraut with potatoes, mashed with butter on a plate. Then she put mustard in the middle. It used to be tasty. And she used to do cauliflower with nutmeg over the top, with white sauce and nutmeg over the cauliflower. We've had some good meals at home. She was always cooking, my mum. And soup, she was the best yet.
Well, you were good at soups, Mum.
Huh?
Your heir to soup is like A star.
Yeah. That's where I got a pea soup from my mum.
Heir to soup.
Yeah, the erwten soup.
Tell me how you make it again.
Yeah. And she was fantastic at it.
Tell me how you make heir to soup.
Erwten soup, you get split peas, and you put 3 big spoons in a cup with water overnight. You leave it there till the next day. Then you get your pan ready, and then you get that meat, what you call it now?
Shank.
Shank.
Lamb shank.
Get shank in the middle. Then you get your peas, you drain your peas and you put it in with the shank. Then you cut your carrots up very small, they go in. An onion, very, very small, that goes in. A little bit of salt, and leave it for an hour and a half till the peas drop, you know. You'd be surprised why I used to love it.
What about these? You used to put wurst in it as well.
Yeah, wurst used to get a round wurst in it. Used to put that in it as well. Yeah, I used to love making it.
Well,
you had to the peas, the sweet peas, you had to...
Sweet peas?
Not sweet peas.
Split peas?
Split peas. They're very hard to get here, though. I have had them from the shops, but not here. They have to be split peas. So when they cook, that is split in two.
Well, that's great. So I now know what your favourite fish is. Thank you very much.
I did like the place. My mother was making place lovely.
What did you used to have for breakfast?
For breakfast, oh wait a minute, I think what we had for breakfast. She used to make pop. That was like made with milk.
Pop?
Pop.
Yeah, what is it?
It's like, it's something like a rice really.
Like porridge?
Yeah. And it wasn't porridge, but it was something like porridge. You used to have that and a sandwich after it. At dinner time we used to have, at lunch we used to have just sandwiches with meat and everything. But at night time we'd have a big dinner. And we never used to allow to be eat first till my father sat down. And when my father started eating, we could eat.
What about dessert?
Eh?
Did you ever have dessert?
We used to have desserts, yes. I can't remember what we used to have. She used to do all sorts, my mum. We've had desserts. I can't think of the name anymore. We have desserts after it. Or if we didn't have desserts, we'd have a nice big orange after it. You know. But she was a fantastic cook, my mother.
How did she learn to cook?
Well, my mother, she was an old-fashioned lady, really. You know, her mother was an old-fashioned woman, and suppose she got it from her mother, you know.
Right.
But she was a fantastic cook. That's one thing I've never, ever smelt in this country. You know, when you're outside, you never smelt somebody cooking. Now, in Holland, at tea time, when people in the summer have the windows open, you could smell what people were eating.
Mm. It's like that in Italy.
Yeah,
You walk around Italy, everyone's cooking.
yeah.
Good cooking talk.